Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Mitsuko. So today I am trying the Rosé Dream Trio from Danessa Myricks, which I got during the Sephora sale. So I am super excited to try this. Keep watching if you want to see how I do it. I zoomed you in a little bit so you can see more of what I'm doing. This is what the trio looks like. On the back of the box, it gives you some information. So it tells you exactly how to use each product and then how to recreate the look that's on the model, for example. Because I already have two of her Colorfix, I will show you. So I have the black one and then I also have the white. I haven't been able to use these on my face. I've been able to use them on my eyes so far, and I am excited. So you can mix these, and the Colorfix are really good because they are waterproof, they are long lasting, they are buildable, and you can use them all over your face. As you can tell, my base is already done. I didn't set my face. I just have Danessa Myricks or cream bronzer. I did put concealer and I set that. I don't have anything on my eyes. I just did my eyebrows and that's pretty much it. Now, what I want to do first, I want to go in and use the matte shade. So Latte. Okay. And I want to use that shade just to put like a really nice blush. I want to see how that looks first. Like a little bit goes a long way. So I'm just going to put a little bit of Latte on the back of my hand. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is what happens when you blend it. And this is like very creamy and light. Look at this. This is very pigmented. But I'm just going to put a little bit on my cheeks just to see. And I'm going to blend that with my fingers. Oh my God, it looks beautiful already. And you control how much, like how pigmented you want this to be whenever you apply it on your skin. Mostly here on the highest part of my cheekbones. Okay, I want to use a sponge just to see how it blends. Okay, so I have a clean beauty blender and I'm just going to blend that, not adding more, just to see. Super nice. Yeah, it looks good. I like it. So I'm going to take a little bit more than this much. I'm going to blend it with my finger again. And then once this sets, like it doesn't budge. So you don't have to worry about this moving anything you have under. Just make sure you're able to just blend it. I put way more on this side, but it is beautiful. Oh my God, this is so nice. I'm just going to add more on this side just to even it out. So yeah, so I think the blush is done and I'm happy with what it looks like so far. Super nice. I love this. Amazing. So my eyes, like I said, are bare. I didn't put anything on my lids. I want to see how pigmented they are. So I'm going to put a little bit again on my lid, like the smallest amount. This is the brush that I'm using from MAC. And I will link everything for you down in the description box. And this brush is great for like cream products. So, oh wow. Okay. Oh my God. Very, very pigmented. Easily. Wow. Okay. I mean, a little bit goes a long way for sure. Okay. I think I didn't put enough on, like on my actual lid. I feel like this is going into my crease, but it's okay. Let me just shear it out a little bit. Let's see if that's possible. And this is without a primer, so I don't think a primer is needed for this. Okay, I'll just add a little bit more because I want more on the lid. Okay, I'm going to use my finger and then just making sure I distribute that all over my lid. Yeah, it's also easy to apply with your fingers. I want to put a little bit also on my bottom lash line. So I'm taking like the tiniest amount and then I'm going to put it on my bottom lash line. Going to use this brush, smoke it a little bit. So I'm going to do the other eye and then I'll come back. So I did the other eye. Both eyes are technically done. And I am happy so far with everything. Now I want to try the satin shade, which is Ballerina. Wow. Oh, she is sheer. I thought it was like a latte, but with shimmers. But it's actually, it looks like just a sheer color. Okay, the pink that you see under is not the color. It's just the leftover of latte. Let me put it on this side so you could really see what it looks like. See how it has nothing under it? It's just sheer. It's basically like a highlight. I want to put it on my lid just to see how it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit on the back of my hand. And then again, like a little bit goes a long way. Maybe just this much. Going to dab it. And then I'm going to put it on my lid just to see what happens. Oh, that's pretty. It gives it like a nice subtle shimmer. I want to see if I can add more. Okay, let me add more. Yeah, now you see it. Okay, I did notice that it also sheared out a little bit the first shade, so I'm just going to put more on this one just to even it out. Just do that quickly. Okay. Yeah, the only thing is I sheared it out a little bit, so I'm just gonna go back and try to fix it. I'm going to mix both shades, so I'll put a little bit of latte and then add a little bit of ballerina. Mix them together, okay, and then just put that on my lid. I want to use ballerina maybe under, let's say, my brow bone there. So I'll just put a small amount. Yeah, it gives me like a nice glow. I want to try it on the bridge of my nose. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, try more. And I'm putting like a little bit. Oh yeah. I'm not crazy about glow in general, like highlight, but this is cute. I wonder what ballerina would look like in my inner corner, so I want to put a little bit there. Yeah. I see it. But it's not like a glitter, it's more like a shimmer. I want to put latte on my lips. And then It feels really light. It's not a shade that I love on its own on my lips, but it looks good. So I am going to put like a liner. This is Cork from MAC, and let's see. This is probably how I would wear it. Just on its own, it's like too, I'm not crazy about the shade, but with the liner, I think it works. Okay, so for the fun part, which is the glaze, and yes, so you can use this as a gloss for your eyes, lips, and cheeks. Okay, so let's see what she looks like. Oh, okay, the texture is different. This feels sticky, whereas the others are just like a dry liquid. I don't know how to explain it, but this is sticky for sure. So to apply the gloss, I'm using the MAC brush number 195. So maybe this much. And I'm going to just maybe this much now. Ugh. Cute. Okay, let me do the other one. Okay, just making sure it doesn't go all the way up to my brows now. Love it. Okay, I want to put it on my lips as well. I'm not crazy about the lips. I'm just gonna come back and then fix it. So what I did, I just removed the lipstick and then I put a little bit of foundation on it just because it was a little bit stained. So I'm going to put the gloss on my lips. Yeah, I just want something like a natural shade. And I want it really glossy. Glossy. Look at this. Ooh, the lips are amazing. Super nice. Love it. I just want to line my lips a little bit, so I'm using Cork from MAC. And for this look, I don't want to put lashes. I'll just put the Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes mascara. Okay, so this is the final look. I am super happy, and I'm not gonna lie, when I put on the gloss, I was like, what am I doing? Is it working? Should we just cancel the mission? But it worked out. I'm happy. I think the set is great. It's great. You should definitely get it if you're considering it. Why? I think the gloss is amazing because it's great on the lips. Like, I put the gloss only with Cork and it's beautiful. It's really nice high shine gloss and I love it. On my lids, it's very comfortable. I thought it was going to be really heavy, but it's not, and it just looks good. It looks really good on my lids and I love it. I was a little bit worried when I first applied the gloss because I was scared it was going to move the base, but it didn't, and this looks great. This is amazing. Now let's talk about the shade Latte, which is the matte, and I think this matte is awesome. I need to get more of the mattes. Like, I need to get more shades because, do you see this? Don't like that type of shade on the lips, but on my lids and on my cheeks, beautiful. Very easy to apply, blends like a dream, and it layers really well also. Like, I loved the eyes. The next shade, which is Ballerina, which is the satin shade, that one I was expecting it to be a little bit more pigmented. I thought it was like a matte shade with shimmer in it, if it makes sense, like as pigmented as Latte but then with shimmer. But this is more of a clear rose gold shimmer, if it makes sense, because when I apply it on, like, there's no color to it other than the rose gold shimmer, if it makes sense. Still beautiful. I love it on my cheeks, and it works with this glossy look, and it gives me like really nice like rosy cheeks. Super nice. Also loved it on the bridge of my nose as a highlight. I'm not crazy about highlights in general, but this I like because you can barely see it. Love it. That is everything for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to let me know what you think down below. And are you considering getting the Colorfix from Danessa Myricks? And again, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you've enjoyed my video, don't forget to like, subscribe. I would truly appreciate it. And I'll see you next time.